The diagram shows points O, A, B, C, D, and X. The position vectors of A, B, and C relative to O are OA is A. Let's put it on the diagram. So that's A. OB is B. OC is 1.5 B, so I'm just going to mark this one here as a half B, and then we can see it's 1.5 all the way. And CD is 3 lots of A. If OX is equal to lambda OD, express OX in terms of lambda A and D. Well, OD, how would we get there? We can go from O to C and then C to D, which would be 3A plus 3 over 2B. And therefore OX is just going to be lambda times that. So lambda 3A plus 3 over 2B. And then we have AX is given to us as mu AB. Express OX in terms of mu A and B. Well, let's start by saying, how do we go from A to B? So we would go backwards to O, so that's a minus A, and then forwards to B, which is plus B, or B minus A if you like. And that means that AX would be equal to mu B minus A. And then we want OX, which we could do as O to A and then A to X, so that would just be A plus the mu B minus A. So we're asked to use our two expressions for OX to find the value of lambda and mu. So they're both OX and they must be equal to each other. So we've got lambda 3A plus 3 over 2B would be equal to A plus mu B minus A. Well, rewriting that, we've got 3 lambda A plus 3 over 2 lambda B is equal to A into, well, we've got 1 there, and then we've got take away mu plus mu B. So looking at the A's, we get 3 lambda is equal to 1 take away mu. Let's call that equation 1. And looking at the B's, we've got 3 over 2 lambda equals mu. Let's call that 2. And then we'll sub 2 in 1, and we'll have 3 lambda is equal to 1 take away 3 over 2 lambda. So 3 lambda plus 3 over 2 lambda equals 1. Now 3 is 6 over 2, so we've got 9 over 2 lambda equals 1, which means that lambda is 2/9. And therefore mu is going to be 3 over 2 times 2/9. A little bit of cancelling there. 2's go, these cancel, and mu is then 1/3. So now we want the ratio AX to XB. Well, if we go back here, AX was mu B minus A, so that was mu of A to B. So this is 1/3, because we know it's mu is 1/3 now. So that's just basically 1/3 over 2/3, which of course cancels to a half. And then we want the ratio OX to XD. And of course OX, right the way back here, So OX is lambda of 3a plus 3 over 2b. So that looks like it's going to be 2/9 over 7/9, which would cancel down to 2/7.